Best laundry bag for delicates review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular mesh laundry bags in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this set of laundry bags so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this laundry bag. The one that made our list is the Bagill laundry bag set. This comes in a set of 5 different sizes, and they are made from durable, breathable polyester fiber that can be used in a dryer too. This way you can protect your delicates from other clothes so that they last longer. It's really easy to use. Simply place your delicates in this bag, zip it up and put it in the washer. Once you're done washing, you can also put it in the dryer to continue drying. The specially designed see-through mesh makes it easy for you to find your belongings and keep them from getting lost. This means that you can also use them for travel, to organize your luggage and make security checks at the airport quick and convenient. To check out the full specs of the Bagill laundry bag set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/meshlaundrybag. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use these bags. So there you have it, the Bagill laundry bag set. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this bag set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Bagill laundry bag set and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/meshlaundrybag. Alright, thank you for watching.